Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Cantor Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 1, Chapter 3, Lecture number 6. For this purpose, you must have these three books: textbook for grade 1, workbook and resource pack. We will use main content from the textbook and the contents relevant to our today's lesson from the workbook, but the resource pack is for the guidance of your parents and teachers. There is complete methodology given in this resource pack that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. This resource pack can be downloaded from our official website of Cantor Publisher. Students, now come to the book. Unit number 3. From this unit we are discussing about measurement of length and mass. We have started topic 3.1, comparison of objects. In this topic we are comparing different types of objects according to length and mass. Now come to the today's topic. Our today's topic is comparison of objects part 6. Part 6 means this is our 6th lecture on this topic. We will discuss only one SLO. SLO means student learning outcomes: light, lighter and lightest. We will check these properties according to the mass of the different objects. Now open the page number 61 of your textbook. Look, these two objects, this is a book and this is a leaf. Which one is light? The weight or mass of this book is maximum, but the weight of this leaf is minimum or light weight. This is light weight, this is heavy weight. So similarly, compare these objects, follow the instructions given in the statement. Identify the heavy and light objects and write in the given space. Look here in part A, which one is heavy? This one is heavy and this one is light. So write here heavy, write here light. You have completed in your previous lecture also. Because of our topic need, we are completing again this page. So complete this by yourself, these three parts. Now come to the next page, page number 63. This is about light, lighter and the lightest. In all the figures and objects, identify the weight of cone, balloon and fur. So what is the weight of cone? Cone is light. इन तीनों में आपने ये चीज देखनी है कि जिसका वेट सबसे ज्यादा होगा उसको आप लाइट कह देंगे, जिसका उससे कम होगा जो आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया वो लाइटर होगा, और जिसका सबसे कम होगा उसको हम लोग लाइटेस्ट कहेंगे. सिमिलरली आपने ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं पार्ट बी में गिवन उनको ऑब्जर्व करना है और उनके नीचे लाइट, लाइटर एंड लाइटेस्ट राइट करना है. लुक एट द स्टेटमेंट. आइडेंटिफाई द लाइट, द लाइटर एंड द लाइटेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड राइट इन द गिवन स्पेस. लेमन. लुक हियर, किसका वेट ज्यादा है? स्पॉट का ज्यादा है या इस लेमन का ज्यादा है या लीफ का ज्यादा है? सबसे ज्यादा वेट इन तीनों में से किसका है? ऑफ कोर्स स्पॉट का. दिस इज लाइट. इससे कम किसका है? लाइटर, लेमन का. और सबसे कम किसका है? लीफ का, LIG, लाइटेस्ट. नाउ चेक हियर. यहां पर एक चिकन है, एक बग है और दूसरा फर है, थर्ड वन. इन तीनों में चेक करें किसका वेट सबसे ज्यादा है? चिकन का. ये लाइट है और ये लाइटर है और ये लाइटेस्ट है. इसी तरह आपने ये पार्ट बी अपनी बुक के ऊपर कंप्लीट कर लेना है। नाउ कम टू द वर्कबुक, पेज नंबर 42, प्रैक्टिस ए। रीड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and identify and color the blank box, green for light, blue for lighter and red for the lightest. Observe the weight of these three objects in part A and check which one is lightweight, which one is lighter weight and which one is lightest weight. So identify and color the boxes, these boxes accordingly. After completing these two parts of this question, send your workbook to your teacher for checking. Your teacher will certify you and sign here. Students, what we have done today, let's revise. Our today's topic was comparison of objects, part 6. In this topic, we have learned light, lighter and lightest. These are the properties of mass of different objects. Students, I hope you understand today's lesson. If you have questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@cantorpublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.